Hey guys, controlling computers. Stephen Hawking is one of the best scientists and the well-known person ever lived in the scientist groups. So, controlling computers. Peripherals are crucially important to people with disabilities as they allow them to use computers. English theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking from 1942 to 2018 suffered from motor neurons disease, which attacked his muscles and left him unable to speak or move. Engineers and software developers made it possible for him to communicate by attaching a sensor to the one muscle he could still move on his cheek. This was connected to a speech generating machine, and that was absolutely amazing. You can see the techniques from the engineers and the programmers. They just find one muscle which is not disturbed and is working, and they connected computer with that muscle, and they can find what Stephen Hawking is saying. This is this life that Stephen Hawking was passing, actually the most painful ages, disease, and the life period. But Stephen Hawking was cannot speak and we cannot see him speaking. But one thing, controlling computers. It is all about computing world. We can't hear what he is saying, but we can read, we can hear little bit. But this was also with controlling computers. We also have a router as a peripheral devices. You can hear router send and receive data packets between computers, and as such they are both input and output devices. Routers can connect devices within a home together, or they can be used to connect a home network to the internet. It is common for most home devices to connect to a home router via Wi-Fi. But if there is a problem with the Wi-Fi signal, an Ethernet cable can often be used. Ethernet cable control the passing of information between computers to avoid simul- simultaneous transmission. Okay. Keyboard and mouses are connected to the computer via USB cable. So monitor, keyboard and mouse. Okay, ये भी पढ़ लेते हैं. These are the peripheral, perhaps the most common peripheral devices. Monitor visually display information processed by the computer. A keyboard and a mouse are input devices that allow users to interact with the computer. Sometimes a touch sensitive panel called a touchpad can be used instead of a mouse. So in this video we learned about monitor, keyboard and mouse as a peripheral devices, and also learned about the router, and also we learned about the controlling computers, where we was reading about the Stephen Hawking, a scientist that was living in a disease. His muscles were not working, but one muscle they find, programmers and engineers, they found it, and then they connected the computers with it, and they can hear a little bit with a frequency, and they can read it from the screen. So guys, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.